This Bachand Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Aiden Bachand. Looking for a summer project? This one may take up all summer. This 3-bed 1-bath home on North 12th Street has a lot of potential with the right renovation. One of the bedrooms and the bathroom is on the main level of the home. Plumbing is in an unknown condition as the previous tenant tore it out of the home. Good news is the kitchen, utility closet, and bathroom are all right next to one another, making it an easier plumbing project than most. Whether looking to buy another investment property or make it a future home, this one could be for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Aiden Bachand at 218-390-9594.